your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, we managed to squeeze out a nice evening. The front, though, literally right on our doorstep. We're looking at a couple of showers to the north. Great visibility here once again downtown. A little bit of fog popping up down to our south. That should get whisked away mainly as we start to see that front move in. You can see some of these showers. We had talked about them entering late evening into the forecast from the northern parts of the area. And indeed, the leading edge of the cooler air is also starting to show up, working its way down here right near the state line. A little bit of a gust front. So for tonight, a low temperature down around 63. That's all we're going to manage. A few spots upper 50s, but in general, we'll say 58 to about 63 for the low. It'll be a nice mild evening still for the next hour or so, at least in North Carolina, but blustery, one or two of those showers moving in a little bit later in the evening or overnight as well. Right now, the wind is calm, at least here in Norfolk. We are seeing that northerly breeze kick in across many of the northern spots. Temperature right now at 65 degrees. It'll go down again just a little bit into the morning and then go down tomorrow, believe it or not, during the day as well. High temperature today, 81 in Norfolk, 79 Newport News and Hampton, 79 at the beach. So just missed the record high by a couple of degrees today. You can see that forecast again. Here's the front right in through on top of the area at midnight, continuing to go way south of us then during the late overnight and early morning. Look at that brisk wind coming in out of the northeast. That'll push these readings down into the upper 50s to lower 60s. And then tomorrow, we're not going to see a lot of rain in terms of an accumulation, but I do think we'll have a chance for a little bit of drizzle or some light rain from time to time, at least in a few spots, and a temperature that'll get at best back up into the 63, 64, 65 degree range. Might not even quite make that. And then I think by 7:30 that this is actually underdone. I think we're going to be in the upper 50s at that point as the wind continues out of the northeast. Again, not a lot of heavy rain. That'll be confined, or the steadier rain anyway, out to the west. And then the front lifts back to the north during the day on Sunday. So Saturday night, you could see we saw that northeast flow. Now I'll widen the perspective. This is Saturday evening once again with the front way down to our south. But as the high moves off and the flow shifts, we're going to start to see this warm front quickly advancing during the day on Sunday, pushing us back up into the 70s and then even warmer during the day on Monday. I want to talk about the tides. We topped out at 3.3 earlier. Remember, tomorrow is the king tide. It's supposed to be about 3.6 feet, which is 6 inches above normal. But because of the northeast wind, we're going to have 4.4 feet, which is on the border of the low end of minor flooding. 74 then Sunday, 81 Monday, and then some rain moving in Tuesday into Wednesday as temperatures fall back to some chilly levels.
See that?
Yeah.
Thanks, Jeff. Okay.